Hey everybody, check this out. We have a Lovevery set, we have eggs, beads, and this log box, and the eggs are gonna be rolling down the slide. Come on. The first egg to go down the slide is the yellow egg. Rolling down, boom, into the hole. Yes, let's get you out of there, yellow egg. Hey yellow egg, what do you have for us? Do you have any surprise inside? Let's open you up. Oh, bunch of yellow beads. Let's throw them down the slide. Oh, they're so bouncy. Thank you, yellow egg. Bye-bye. Boo-boo. Alright, let's open up this yellow door and let's see what's inside. Looks like another egg. I wonder what color it is. Oh, it is the orange egg. Yeah. Alright, orange egg, it's your turn. Bye. Boop. Into the hole. Alright, let's open up this door. Oh, it's still looking pretty good. Let's open it up. And there's more orange beads inside. Alright. Oh, a lot of them jumped out. So bouncy. Alright, let's open up this door and let's see what we find inside. I hope it's another egg. Yes, it is another egg. This time it is the pink egg. Alright, pink egg, you ready? Let's open you up. And there's a bunch of pink beads inside. Oh, a lot of them are jumping out too. All these little beads are so bouncy. Bye-bye. Alright, next up is the teal door. Let's see what's behind the teal door. Oh, it looks like a teal egg. That's right, it's a teal egg. Hey teal egg, are you ready to go down the spiral? Yeah! Uh-oh. There you go, you made it. Alright. Coming out. Alright, teal egg. Let's find out what's inside. There's teal beads. Yippee! Ooh, bouncy teal eggs. Thank you, teal egg. Bye-bye. Alright, this time it is the orange door. Let's open up this lock. Let's open the door and let's see what's behind. It's another egg. I wonder what color it is. Oh, yeah, it is a purple egg. Hello there, purple egg. Are you ready to go down the slide? Yeah! Alright, here you go. Oh, you made it all the way, purple egg. Let me open up the door and get you out of there. Hey, purple egg. Are you alright? Yeah! Alright. Let's see what's inside, purple egg. Do you have more beads for us? Yeah! Oh, purple beads! Alright, let's throw them down the slide. Yoo-hoo! Oh, a lot of them made it to the box, but a lot jumped out. Yeah! Bye, purple egg! Alright, now it's the yellow door. Let's open up this latch. Open the door and let's see what's behind. Looks like another egg. I wonder what color it is. It's the blue egg. Yeah, hey there, blue egg. You made it all the way out here and now you're going down the slide and into the hole. Let's get you out of there. Hey, purple egg, Are you alright? Yeah. Right, do you have beads for us? Yes, blue beads. Yippee! A lot of beads went down the slide and made it all the way down. Yeah, what do you think? The blue beads. Oh look, this is a military truck and it's green. Let's see if it goes down the slide. Oh, it got stuck. Alright, this is a safari truck. Let's throw it down the slide. Let's see if it works. It's got little wheels. Might make it all the way down. Let's see. Oh no, there's still a lot of friction. They need more weight behind. This is a fire truck and it's red. Oh no, they're still stuck. Let's see if this green sports car does the trick. Come on, green sports car. Oh no, it didn't work. Maybe with the weight of these marbles we'll be able to push them all down. What do you think? Let's go. Oh, it worked. Let's put a few more. Hey, we did it. We got them all in there. That's right. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.